Good morning, students. Today we'll see about flexible manufacturing system. What is flexible manufacturing system and how it is applicable to the automation industries? We'll see now. Flexible manufacturing system is one of the mass production system and a system that consists of numerous programmable machine tools connected by a automated material handling system. Objective of the flexible manufacturing system is decreased lead time, increased machine utilization, improved due rate reliability, decreased store inventories levels, decreased work in progress, increased quality. Basic concept of flexible manufacturing system is workstations, automated material handling and storage system, computer control system. Workstation, it consists of NC machines, machine tools, inspection equipment, loading and unloading operations. Storage and retrieval system means raw material can be stored and retrieval system also there. Material handling consists of process for vehicles, various types of automated vehicles for transferring the movement of raw material. Application characteristics of flexible manufacturing system is it may be high, low or medium level. Flexibility in manufacturing is different types of flexible manufacturing system are there. It is depends upon the type of operation, then processing operations, assembly operation also. Different types of flexible manufacturing system is single machines and multiple machines also there. And flexible manufacturing system layout consists of use a large number of machines or smaller number of machines, open loop system and closed loop system also. It is also available in the form of inline robot centered type also available. Robot control system means this robot will control all the machines in all the directions. Loop means machines which be formed in a closed cycle. Ladder means there will be some gap between. Inline means in the same line itself all the machines are arranged. So different diagrams I have shown in the slides for the loop system, open robot control system, everything. Factors influencing the flexible manufacturing system is transport facility, raw material, availability of the raw material, power, water and fuel also, atmospheric and climatic condition, social and recreation facility. Advantage and disadvantage of flexible manufacturing system is advantages faster, lower labor cost, reduced inventory and a better quality. Disadvantages expensive, cost in $1,000,000, sophisticated in manufacturing system. Automated material handling is there and it is automated retrieval system also there, and there are mostly conveyors for medium and small scale industry for moving the raw material from one place to another place. Conveyors are used like cement factories and all. The distance between the covering area is very less, so these conveyors are used. And NC, CNC, DNC part programming also coming in the flexible manufacturing system. Similar to flexible manufacturing, flexible automations are there. Common use of robot is used for loading and unloading condition, spray painting, building, material handling, inspection and assembly. In manufacturing technology, numerical control machines, computer control numerical machine, direct numerical control machines are also there. And in the flexible manufacturing system, day maintenance will be observed. Real world example is Ford Motor Companies also using there. Power generation, they faced following challenges: outdated cell controller, lack of flexibility, causing loss of efficiency, and a solution, they implemented a software for controlling that. After that, system was made correct and the benefits were maintained. Okay, thank you all. And the next lecture we'll see in tomorrow's class. Thank you, students.